Our number one asset here at GrayMatter is our people. I've been hiring people smarter than me ever since Jim Gillespie, even prior to GrayMatter Systems, and that means a lot to me to surround myself with brilliant people. The fact that you have made it on board means that you've met a criteria that's above the bar in the industry, in my opinion. So I really focus on manufacturing. I'm a manufacturing guy. We have folks that look at infrastructure, water, wastewater, oil and gas, and those kind of things. I'm really laser focused on the manufacturing segment. So I get into primarily manufacturing execution, looking at bringing information up from the plant floor and feeding the business systems that are running companies. So I do things like quality, efficiency, throughput, tracking, genealogy, those kind of things. And we've been a part of over 600 plants worth of installations across multiple verticals in the manufacturing segment. And I actually go out and talk to my alma maters, my high school and my college at Fairmont State University in West Virginia, and talk to them about how cool manufacturing is. We made the Pittsburgh Technology Council's Solution Provider of the Year for the second year in a row. We also, for the fourth consecutive year, we're on the Forbes 5,000 list of the fastest growing companies. We just held our largest industrial intelligence conference, the Transform Conference, up in Put-in-Bay, Ohio, where companies came in from all over the country. We have close to 300 people showed up this year. Had a great performance by the GrayMatter band, which is kind of fun. We've got our industrial analytics platform really ramping up. We've got some great customers there. We look forward to ramping that up. Our MES business is going strong. Industry 4.0, which I head up, is going strong. We've got the smart buildings and the smart utilities programs going on. It's going to be an exciting year in 2020 for sure. Glad you guys are going to be a part of it.